Hey foodies! Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen, where we turn everyday meals into extraordinary feasts. Today we're diving into a recipe that's as comforting as a warm hug on a cold day: slow cooker barbecue pulled chicken with a tangy, crunchy cabbage slaw. Trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this one because it's pure magic in a bun. First things first, let's talk about the star of this show, the chicken. We're using boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and they're going on a slow, flavorful journey. Think of it as a spa day for your poultry, but instead of cucumber slices, we're treating them to a bath in the most mouth-watering barbecue sauce mixture. Now grab your slow cooker and lay those chicken breasts in the bottom. They're ready for a cozy, slow-cooked adventure. In a bowl, we're going to mix up a symphony of flavors: barbecue sauce, chicken broth, or water if you're out of broth, apple cider vinegar for that tangy kick, a bit of brown sugar for sweetness, and Worcestershire sauce, which I like to call the secret flavor ninja. Then we sprinkle in smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together until it's smoother than a jazz sax solo. Pour this magical mixture over the chicken, making sure every bit gets some love. Cover the slow cooker and set it on low for 6 to 7 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Your house will start to smell so good your neighbors might just invite themselves over. It's like free therapy. Your home will smell like a barbecue heaven and you won't even break a sweat. While our chicken is getting all tender and delicious, we're moving on to the slaw. Think of this as the zesty sidekick to our savory superhero. We need 2 cups of thinly sliced cabbage. Now, I know cabbage can be a bit stubborn, like trying to get a toddler into a bath. But don't worry, we've got a plan to soften it up. Place your cabbage in a bowl and give it a hot water bath with a pinch of salt. Let it soak for about 30 minutes. This will make it tender and ready to mingle with our other ingredients. Next up, our red onion. Slice it thinly and give it a vinegar soak. This will mellow out its sharpness and give it a nice tang. Let it sit in the vinegar for at least 30 minutes. It's like a pickling party. Once our cabbage and onion have had their spa treatments, drain them both. In a large bowl, combine the cabbage and the pickled onion. Now, here's where things get saucy. Add half a cup of ketchup and your choice of either mayo or ranch dressing. Stir it all together until everything is coated and ready to dazzle. Pop this slaw in the fridge to chill out until we're ready to assemble our sandwiches. This gives all those flavors a chance to get to know each other. Think of it as a slaw speed dating session, fast, fun, and full of surprises. Now back to our chicken. After it's cooked and become all tender, it's time to shred it. Use 2 forks and pull that chicken apart into delicious bite-sized pieces. Stir it back into the sauce so it soaks up all that barbecue goodness. It's like giving the chicken a final coat of flavor before the grand debut. Alright, the moment of truth, assembling our sandwiches. Grab your favorite burger buns, and if you want to be extra fancy, toast them lightly. Pile on a generous amount of the barbecue pulled chicken, then top it with a scoop of our tangy cabbage slaw. The crunch from the slaw and the juicy, saucy chicken is a match made in heaven, and there you have it, a slow cooker barbecue pulled chicken sandwich with tangy cabbage slaw. That's sure to be the highlight of your day. It's so good, even your taste buds will do a happy dance. Serve this up for dinner, a party, or just because you deserve something amazing. Remember, you can find the full written recipe on kelvinskitchen.com. If you love this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures. See you next time and happy cooking!